Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to remove image background using AI. So let's get started the video. First, open your web browser, then search for remove.bg. This will open the official website. Once you are on the home page, you will see the upload image option. Now click upload image. Then select the image you want to edit from your computer. You can also drag and drop your image into the upload area. After the image is uploaded, the AI will automatically detect the main subject and remove the background. If you want to make any changes, you can also edit this into your Canva account. Once you're done, click on download. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.